Yo guys, what's up? It's SternOak coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max graphite color 128 gigabytes. So I did not upgrade to this phone by choice. My iPhone 10 actually fell in the lake while kayaking. That's a long story, but anyway, yeah. So I got this new phone from T-Mobile. Shout out to Eddie for the sales rep for getting me this, and shout out to my dad for driving me to T-Mobile. Yeah, here it is. iPhone 12 Pro Max. By the way, without you guys watching all my videos daily, I would not be able to afford this. I actually use my monthly YouTube paycheck to pay for this. I only get paid around like $100 per month, which is just enough to cover my cell phone costs. Again, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos every day. Here it is, moment of truth. I'm hyped because even though the iPhone X was fine and dandy, it did have a lot of problems like low battery, brightness was not that high. The screen wasn't as big as I wanted it to be. So now I have the biggest iPhone available right now. Here it is, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh, it's glory. Oh yeah, there's no charging brick. Thank God. I've had this fast charger for a couple of years now. Moment of truth, guys. Boom. Wow, it's the matte finish on the back. Wow. 3 cameras, ultra wide camera. I really wanted that. I was actually thinking about getting an Android phone, but I use iMessage and FaceTime every single day, so I just don't think I can do that, unfortunately. Okay, here's a SIM ejection tool. 1 sticker, there we go. Same as always. Designed by Apple in California, so. Here, it's a USB-C charger, so. If you guys want the fast charging, all you gotta do is buy the USB-C charging brick on like Amazon or something, $10, you know. Honestly, like, I think it's really stupid that they don't include it. This is like $10.99. Whatever. That's how Apple is, you know. But they have reliable products. I guess I can give them that. Here's the box again. This is a true to life 1:1 size. Look at that. That's cool. Time to power this big ass phone on. Apple logo. See, stainless steel. I love that finish, guys. I really do. Speaker here, microphone there, volume up, volume down. Here's the ringer switcher, power button. Setup. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. So this is 6.7 inches, the iPhone 10 was 5.8 inches. So wow, this is definitely a big phone. I can still use it one-handed though, definitely. Definitely, yeah. Yeah. Like, my thumbs reach all corners of the screen, so I should be good with that. Face ID, I'll set it up later. I won't use a passcode right now. iCloud backup, signing in. It was asking me the passcode for the other phone, because, you know, I lost my phone, so instead of transferring the data from my phone, I just put in the passcode for the other phone since I lost everything. So I did drop my phone in the lake, and I found out that Apple Care and the T-Mobile insurance does cover theft and loss. So do you guys think I should sign up for that? I have 30 days to decide for either one. T-Mobile is $15 a month. I think the Apple one was also $15 a month. So let me know in the comments if I should get the insurance. Oh, True Tone display. I love the True Tone display because the whites look a lot better, in my opinion. So. Welcome to iPhone. Here we go. So here it is, guys. Let's go check the camera real quick. Let's go turn around. It's your boy. It's your boy. Oh, wow. So the front camera can also zoom out a little bit, just like the ultra wide here. Boom. That's my setup. Shout out to Matthew for giving me these lights. Portrait. That's cool. Video, HD 60, HD 30, 4K 30. 4K 60, there we go, 4K 60. Just take a photo real quick. There we go, first photo on the new iPhone, guys. Okay, let's go to YouTube real quick. Let's download that. I am on Sprint, but you know how T-Mobile and Sprint merged. So Eddie at T-Mobile told me that he put in the SIM where you're able to use both T-Mobile and Sprint and use the 5G. I'm on one bar right now because it's connecting to 5G T-Mobile. So maybe the signal for 5G is not good here. But here, YouTube. Let's go check out a Turtle Beach unboxing.
Today we're going to see if
Let's turn up the volume.
gaming earbuds are worth the money. Let's
Wow.
check it out. Oh, ear hooks.
Wow, that's
and
cool.
Different size earbud.
Like, the video looks better on this screen than my iPhone 10 because it's just brighter and it's more vibrant. If you were to play games on this phone, like PUBG, I think it'd be more comfortable just because the sides, it's not rounded, it's square and flat. So when you put your fingers on it, boom, it just rests in place. Okay, I'm testing the quality here. This is a 4K 60 FPS video. Okay, 2160p. Wow. Guys, so I noticed on my iPhone 10, when I would go to a video that's 4K, it would say the max would be 1080p. Here, it says you can do 2160p, which is 4K. This phone does support 4K 60 videos on YouTube. My iPhone X did not. That's dope. Look at the vibrance, guys. It's cool. Very rich sound. It's a lot louder than my iPhone 10. I wish I had the iPhone 10 here to compare it to you guys, but if I still had the iPhone 10, I would not have gotten this phone. Oh my, it's a sexy phone. It's so sleek, it's so cool. That's a LiDAR scanner down there. This does support 18-watt fast charging. Thank you guys for watching. Even though I lost my iPhone, I'm happy to have it back. And again, I wouldn't have been able to pay for this phone without you guys watching my videos every day. I'll link the iPhone in the description. I'll link the charger in the description if you want to buy one. For $1,100, it definitely has the weight, it has the materials, and it has the brand name to back it up. Although that's not too important for me. I also kind of realized like the notch, it's not that noticeable. Whereas on my iPhone 10, I would always notice that notch. Here, same size notch with a bigger screen. It's a better screen to body ratio. I'll put it that way. It was a good 2.5 years iPhone 10, but this is my new guy. It's my new friend. Thank you guys for watching. I upload a lot of tech videos like these, and I'll also have some PS5 gaming videos in the future. I'm very excited for that. Be safe, with the whole COVID thing. I hope this blows over by the summer. Have a great day, guys.